In this video, I show you how to sign up for your very own Zoho Mail account. The process is simple and quick, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to www.zohop.com/mail/Zohop pricing. On this page, you'll see different email options from Zoho. Look for the section labeled Personal Email and click the Sign Up for Free button. You will be taken to the sign up form. Here, start by entering your full name. Both first and last names are important for your email identity. Next, choose your Zoho email address, usually formatted as your name at zoho.com. Pick something that represents you well. Now, create a strong password, something easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers and symbols for extra security. Then enter your mobile number along with the correct country code. Zoho will use this for verification, so make sure it's accurate. After filling out the form, click Sign Up. Zoho will send a one-time verification code, OTP, to your phone. Enter this code on the website to verify your number and secure your account. Once verified, Zoho will log you into your new email account automatically. You can access your inbox anytime at mailzoho.com. From here, explore Zoho Mail's features, organize your emails, and customize your account to your liking. And that's it. You've successfully created your Zoho Mail account. Enjoy exploring your inbox and all the tools Zoho Mail has to offer.